Shoot. Shoot him. One more. Alright, here comes the countdown. Somebody hit it. Better lead him a little bit. They're coming back. Right in front. Where in the hell did that skunk go? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot him again. Look to the left shooter, hard left. Right guy, stay forward. You see him? Shoot him. They're right behind the pine. Shoot him if you can. If you see white, bust him. Swing around to the right. Swing around to my right, all the way around. Come on. Got him. Keep coming all the way. Swing around this way. To the right. More. Straight out. Maybe a little right now. Yeah, there he is. See him? Pop him. Yeah, shoot him. Shoot him again. One good shot. Alright, whenever you're ready. Pop him. Shoot him again if you can. Oh my gosh. Something like that. Keep watching, there's something behind. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot him. Shoot him again. You can keep shooting. You're good. He's going right.
I'm good too.
If you find him, keep shooting. That got him. 1, 2, 3. Shoot him again. That's off on the right. If they go back center, you're good. There's one in the middle. Shoot it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Shoot that one running back. Ooh. Good shot, Gary. That's it. Oh, there's one standing in the back. Alright, there he goes. Gary, hit him. Hit him again, Gary. Running right, hard right. Look right.
Shoot him again.
Shoot him. Hit him.
Shoot him.
That hit. Here, shoot him again.
You're out.
Gary, scoot back. 1, 2, 3. Safety. Alright guys, here comes the countdown. 1, 2, 3. Shoot him. I didn't have the safety off. Left side guy, can you still see him? Look left. Look left. See him? Shoot him again. Shoot him. 1, 2, 3. Let him go. Alright, shoot him again. Shoot him again. Right here in the middle. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good job.
One in the back, straight back.
Where?
Far back in the woods. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Keep watching. They're gonna come back across. They split. 1, 2, 3. Dave, slow down. Slow down, Dave. There's one straight ahead. Oh, he's down.
We just get one out of it.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ed, you're done.
I know.
Can you swing up a little bit? Right there. Hit him. Lead him just a little bit.
Oh,
That hit.
good shot. Yeah. Lead him a little bit. Yeah.
That hit him.
Woo!
Hey, can you shoot this big one? You ready? Alright, here comes the count, fellas. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Shoot him again.